everyone, my name is Tess and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. It is not something that has been requested, but something that I want to do on my own because I have been told for many years that I look just like Jennifer Lawrence, and I wanted to do a makeup tutorial to kind of put on makeup that looks like Jennifer Lawrence so that we could see how I look after Jennifer Lawrence makeup. So stay tuned and I will be showing you guys my Jennifer Lawrence makeup routine. So I'm starting out with some foundation primer and some highlighter, and what I like to do is I like to take this Mary Kay liquid illuminator and I like to mix it with my Almay Smart Shade color correcting primer, and I've been using this for about 5 years because I have really red toned skin and I think that it helps cut down on red tones significantly, so I really like this product and I would definitely recommend it for anybody trying to cut down on redness. Unfortunately, they just replaced this product with a different product. I haven't had the chance to try it. This is an old one that I still had, so I will be giving that one a try and I will let you guys know how I like that one. So I'm going to be using this Beauty Blender brush and I'm going to use this NARS foundation. The color is Light 6. And I haven't used foundation in a while, so bear with me because I have to get back into the routine of using makeup. I went a long time without putting any makeup on my face because I kind of wanted to see how I would do with no makeup, and I say it went pretty well. So I'm going to be putting a few squirts of the foundation onto the Beauty Blender brush and tapping it into my skin. So once I've applied my foundation, I'm going to buff out the foundation with this Urban Decay brush I've had for a few years, and I really like this brush because it makes everything look very airbrushed. So once I've applied my foundation, I'm going to apply a little bit of under eye concealer because Jennifer looks like she's definitely got some bright under eyes in most of her photos at photo shoots. What I'm going to be using is a Bye Bye Under Eye. It's by IT. I haven't heard of this makeup brand, but I am subscribed to a makeup box called Ipsy, and for $10 a month, Ipsy sends you 5 new products to try each month, and I really love Ipsy, and no, I am not paid to sponsor Ipsy, but I would love to be. Using my bright under eye concealer, I will be putting it under my eyes. And I love to use this brush for my under eyes because of the way it is angled. It works so well to get rid of dark circles. After I've applied my under eye, it is time to work on my eyes because I don't like to do contouring until after my eyes are done because of the fallout that I usually get on my eyes. I usually like to start out by doing my eyebrows. Jennifer does not have arched eyebrows, and I have just recently plucked my eyebrows to be arched, so I'm going to try my best to put them back to how my eyebrows naturally grow, which is not arched, they just grow in a solid block. For my eyebrows, I'm going to be using a Bella Pierre Stay Put Brow Gel. And again, I got this on the Ipsy box, so I'm not sure much about the brand, but I love the product, so it seems to do the job. After I've applied some eyebrow gel, it is time to start working on the eyes. Jennifer has very hooded eyes as well as myself, so I am going to start out by using a white eyeliner, and the white eyeliner really helps open up the hooded eyes and makes them look a lot wider, brighter. You wouldn't even know that I had this on until I told you, so that's the good thing about it, is it just helps without you even realizing what it's helping. So next, I will be putting on a black eyeliner, and I'm going to be applying that to the upper waterline and on the under waterline, just to give it some dimension. Next, I'm just going to be using some eye primer, and I like to use the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer because I've been using it since I was in high school, and it works really well to keep your eyeshadow on all day long, especially when I used to be in school and I would do my makeup at 6 in the morning and my eyeshadow would actually still be there around 8 at night. Fun fact. After I apply that, I am going to set this eyeliner with some eyeshadow, and what that will help do is it will help it stay on all day long so that it looks good into the nighttime. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Naked 2 palette, and I'm going to be using Blackout. I use Blackout a lot because it's really good for this kind of thing. After I apply the eyeliner, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start applying the eyeshadow, and I'm going to use a lot of natural neutral colors because Jennifer in the picture that I'm trying to copy, she doesn't have a lot of shimmery colors, so I want to look as much like her as I possibly can. I'm actually going to start out by covering the entire base of my eyes in this color here. It is called Foxy, and I'm going to use this big brush to cover it. Next, I'm just going to be making a crease, so I'm going to use the color Tease in the Naked palette. It is this color here. And I'm going to use this crease brush and put it into the crease just to create a little bit more dimension. Next, I'm going to be taking this big fluffy brush and going in with the color Chopper, which is this color here, and just add a little bit of shimmer. I just want to go back and highlight anything that got darkened, so under the eyebrow. And the corner of the eye. Go back in with the blender brush and blend it. So now, as you can see, I've got my eyeshadow on. I'm going to be going in with some contour because Jennifer definitely has a little bit of contouring, and it will obviously make my face look a little bit more like hers. Then I want to go in and just contour my nose just a little bit to make it a little bit slimmer. Now going in with some highlighter, just to create a little bit of bridge to the nose because I have a much wider nose than Jennifer. Again, just going under the lip to give it a bigger, fuller impression because Jennifer's lips are very full like mine, but I just wanted them to be a little bit fuller. And I'm going to go under and just highlight under my eyes a tiny bit more because looking at this photo next to me, her eyes are very bright in the photo. I'm going to put a little bit on top of my lip. Now I'm just going to be going over my face with a little bit of powder just to set everything that I've done so far. I'm going to be using this big fluffy Real Techniques brush, and it works really well to distribute the powder evenly over your face. After I put the powder on, I'm just going to set my eyebrows with some eyebrow gel, and I'm not sure the brand, but I just go like this and bring the brows down and up. For mascara, I'm going to be using this Smashbox Eye Brightening Mascara, and it works pretty well. I got it a couple years ago. All of my makeup is pretty old. I probably need to do some makeup shopping. Once I have applied the mascara, it's time for blush because Jennifer always has a lot of blush on, I noticed, at most of her premieres and any photo shoot that I've ever seen her in. So for blush, I'm actually just using this Wet n Wild blush, and it's an ombre blush, and it's one of my favorite blushes because of how it goes on. It just looks really nice. Next, I'm going to be priming my lips. I like to use the Lip Fusion Primer in XXL because it helps plump my lips and keeps product on for a while. So there's one signature color I think of when I see Jennifer's lips, and it's this peachy pale pink. And on almost every single photo except when she's wearing red, she has this pale peachy pink on. I've had this color for a while. It is by Rimmel. It's called Rimmel's Show Off Lip Lacquer, and it is literally Jennifer Lawrence colored lipstick. You'll see what I mean. And just to slightly tone this color down, I'm gonna go in with this melted stuff I've had forever, like I keep saying, to every single item that I pull out of my makeup supply. After I apply that, I'm going to put on some lip oil because her lips are really shiny. So this lip oil is from Steve Laurent, and I think it's an argan oil. So this concludes the makeup portion, and I'm going to come back to you guys in just one moment with my hair down the middle and up in a ponytail. So I will be right back. So now that I have my hair done, this is the finished makeup look, and please let me know what you guys think in the comments about how I did the makeup, and if you guys have any questions about the products I used or any questions about this video, please let me know in the comments section. And I had a fun time making this video, so let me know if you want to see me do another makeup impression or if you want to see me do another makeup tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And my name is Tess, and thank you for watching.